In this video, I'm going to compare Plotagon versus Vyond. So I'm going to compare the main similarities and differences. And what to tell you up front is Plotagon is very limited because it only has a a very limited desktop app and a mobile app for Google Play Store and the App Store. If you see it on this phone, you can see this is how it looks. The only thing you can do, you can choose from a template. You can change the characters, the background, like where they are, basically the whole situation, but not how you want it. So if you want a specific place to create yourself, that's not possible. You can only change Joe's corner, where it is. You can change hello, the names, everything like that. It's really working with templates. So if you want to create everything yourself, your own situations, it's going to be very limited, and I don't think Plotagon is the option for you. However, Vyond is a little bit more, it's way more complex. You can do way more things with it. You can create anything however you want. And Vyond is basically the platform that you can use to create your own custom locations, characters, stuff like that. So if you don't want to go with limited things that you have in Plotagon, definitely go for Vyond. But Vyond is also a little bit more complicated and complex. If you're a beginner and you just want to create some simple videos for your school, for your students, for anything like that, then I would consider Plotagon because it's easier to understand. However, Vyond, if you want to go for a long-term project with real people and stuff like that, go for Vyond because the quality is just higher. We can see pricing. Yes, Vyond is really expensive. Here we can see 650 a year for a premium, but if you go for monthly, you can see here we have $50 for the essential plan, which is very high. Like $50 is a lot. If you go to Plotagon, you can see here it's actually free. You don't have to pay a single thing here. We can go to desktop app, you can just download this, and this is what you can customize. This all from a template, but here you can just start for free. So of course that's not a great option because you are going to have a watermark, but here we can see the pricing. So the cheapest one is the academic, 27 a year. You can see with this $3 a month. If you compare that to the cheapest plan here, $50 a month, which is way cheaper on Plotagon. So if you want to go for the cheapest plan out there, definitely go for Plotagon. If you have a lot of money, you want to go for the best of the best, go for Vyond. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time. Have a good day.